40 years ago, before the age of cell phones and PCs, in a small welding shop on a Lancaster County farm, the legendary work of a simple Amish craftsman was just beginning. While corporations were pushing production limits with industrial robots, Ivan Stoltzfus was busy serving local farmers in the quiet countryside of New Holland, Pennsylvania. With an outgoing personality, an inventive mind, and years of experience in metalworking, Ivan enjoyed few things more than repairing equipment and designing new products in his shop on the farm. When a customer asked Ivan to build a pig roaster, he designed and built the cooker in his custom welding shop. The happy customer spread the word, and before long, pig roaster sales became a substantial part of the business. In the late 80s, Ivan developed the chicken cookers, a line of charcoal pits with pivoting sandwich grates designed to simplify grilled chicken fundraisers. By the early 90s, Ivan's sons had joined him in the shop, including Melvin, who now worked in the shop full-time. In 1997, Melvin purchased the family business, and by 1998, we had outgrown the shop on the farm. We purchased a nearby property and built a 5,000 square foot shop. We still did some contract fabricating, but our main business was barbecue equipment. In 2000, we added a 50 by 50 warehouse, and in 2002, we built another 50 by 50 addition and installed our first dedicated paint room. In 2005, we introduced our tank smoker series, and by 2007, we were building 4 sizes of tank smokers. Around 2006, we added stainless steel sinks to our product line. In 2007, we opened a separate retail store named Meadow Creek Barbecue Supply. By then, we were exclusively building barbecue equipment and selling through dealers. In 2011, we added new office and lunchroom areas and turned the old office area into shop space. In 2013, we developed the BX50, the first smoker in our box smoker series, and it sold more than any other Meadow Creek cooker did in its first year. Within 3 years, we added 2 more sizes. By the busy season of 2014, we were crowded again and struggling to keep up with orders. Instead of expanding our building, we implemented a new workflow based on lean manufacturing principles and improved our production capacity by 30% with room to expand. Today, we offer a full line of smokers and grills for barbecue enthusiasts, caterers, fundraisers, and competitors. Melvin's brother Ivan J. is a partner in the business, and we have a dozen people working here. In 2020, the Stoltzfus brothers and the Meadow Creek team celebrate 40 years of building handmade smokers and grills in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. Although Dad is no longer with us, we are still motivated by the same values that built our company in the early days. We still believe it takes more than raw steel and cool machines to build a grill or smoker. Every piece of Meadow Creek equipment is handcrafted in a culture of integrity, a rich tradition that values honesty, skill, kindness, diligence, and efficiency. Our team loves what they do and works hard to give our customers more than their money's worth. Serving the barbecue community is a privilege, and we thank each of our customers and supporters for making our work possible. Browse our products at meadowcreekbarbecue.com to discover how we can make your outdoor cooking experience fun, easy, and profitable.